So tipster Kang leaked a substantial amount of information about the iPhone 12 not too long ago. To sum it up, Apple is expected to announce 4 5G enabled models with the new A14 Bionic in 3 sizes on Tuesday. The higher-end variants will reportedly have better cameras and better battery life. The iPhone 12 mini and 12 are expected to feature a dual camera array with wide-angle unit and ultra-wide-angle module. The iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max will boast a triple camera setup with a wide-angle main sensor, an ultra-wide-angle unit, and a telephoto module, and there will be the LIDAR scanner. The fully spec'd out model will have bigger sensor and a new sensor shift stabilization technology, which is probably the best thing. Previously, it was reported the LiDAR will also be used for taking videos in portrait mode, but that doesn't seem to be the case, at least as of now. Instead, it looks like it will primarily be used for AR gaming and AR shopping, which I practically don't find that cool unless I see some interesting app that does something really cool with that. Anyway, the iPhone 12 Pro is rumored to come with 4x optical zoom, and the Pro Max is expected to offer 5x optical zoom, according to Max Weinbach. He also added that the phones may offer up to 30x hybrid zoom. This will seemingly be achieved by combining multiple frames at different zoom levels and fusing them together. Smart HDR3 and advanced diffusion technology will take care of the rest. This is pretty interesting. Now, the leaker also suggests the iPhone 12 Pro Max will have a sort of macro camera technology that should let you focus closer to an object. This will apparently be achieved via the ultra-wide camera, which will have a 35% wider aperture than the current 11 Pro model's one. The larger aperture will also boost low-light photography, and that's obvious. He also says the iPhone 12 may support 4K video shooting at 120fps or 240fps. That's crazy cool. The tipster has also leaked some info regarding the battery life of the new models. He claims that the Pro models will get an hour boost over the current gen model. And I'm just guessing how long lasting the Pro Max model will be. If you don't know, the current Pro Max model is the battery king. The 5.4-inch iPhone 12 mini, however, may fare worse than the iPhone 11 because of its size. And this is no surprise. This variant is also expected to feature a redesigned notch, slightly smaller, but nothing much. And lastly, Face ID will likely become faster at authenticating user, which Apple has been claiming for the last 2 years. But let's see. But one interesting thing is, you will be able to unlock your phone from more angles. If that's the case, it will be less painful to unlock your phone while placed on the table. All 4 US iPhone 12 models will support both sub-6 GHz and millimeter wave 5G signals. Outside of the US, only sub-6 GHz 5G will be available on the iPhone 12 models. Now the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro pre-orders could kick off on October 16th ahead of a proper commercial debut on October 23rd. Meanwhile, the iPhone 12 mini is now reportedly scheduled for a November 13th release, with the iPhone 12 Pro Max is expected to begin shipping on November 20th, after going up for pre-orders exactly a week earlier. The iPhone 12 mini likely to cost as little as $699. The standard iPhone 12 is expected to start at $799. The iPhone 12 and 12 Pro Max reportedly priced at $999 and $1,099 respectively at their entry-level configuration. In terms of color options, the iPhone 12 and 12 mini buyers will apparently be able to choose from black, white, red, blue, and green, with the iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max to be released in gold, silver, graphite, and navy blue flavors. AirTag and Apple Silicon MacBook isn't coming to the 7, but HomePod Mini is coming as a surprise. But I'm not so sure that AirPod Studio will come in this event, but it can come. Anyway, if you want to see more episodes like this, please hit the like button, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.